Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is going to be an 11-minute video because I'm going to show everyone my different types of Rubik's Cube. This one Pyramid Cube, Ghost Cube, Mega Minix, and Cube. If you know how to solve 2 by 3, solving all of this is easier. And I got this 3 from, where was it? From Barnes and Nobles. And this 2 from internet. And they're very fun to solve. And yeah, so if you know how to solve 3 by 3, all of this is easier to solve. Now I'm going to get to Pyramix first. This one is Pyramix, and if you open it, it looks like this. This has only 4 sides and 4 different colors. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In Pyramix, you solve the bottom layer first. That's like 3 by 3. And then, after you solve the bottom layer, like let's just say if you want to solve the blue side, you solve this thing. So, when I end, first I got the Pyramix cube from internet, but I lost it, so that's why I got this from Barnes and Nobles. This one is better because it's more smooth, and this one is little bigger. So yeah, so this is from Brain Teaser, and I learned how to solve them. This one, if you don't practice every day, you will able to forget how to solve it. So it's very important that you review once per month in order to remember how to solve this. And this one is very fun to solve and very easy. And if you want to solve this a lot of times, it takes shorter time than regular Rubik's Cube. And see, it's very smooth and very neat. Yeah, so that's why I enjoy having this. The next cube I'm going to show you is this Extreme Skew Cube. And now I'm going to open this. Okay, this is Extreme Skew Cube. When you open it, see, this has 6 different sides and more side, because see, and this is it's a little different from regular Rubik's Cube, because you move like this, not like this. So you move it diagonally. See? So this is very fun cube to learn, and it has smaller algorithms, and it's easier than 3 by 3. But if you know how to solve 3 by 3, it's very fun cube to do. And I almost know how to solve this, because if I just look at the algorithms, I know how to solve this because it's pretty easy. It's similar to this. If you know how to solve this, this will be very easy, almost piece of cake. More on this later. And this Extreme Skip Cube, I got this around the same time as this in Barnes and Nobles. And yeah, so this was very fun to learn and to solve them. Now the next cube is ghost cube. In the ghost cube, I'm going to show you. It's this. And you move like this. See? And then if it's not, see? And it has different shapes and sizes too. And this, it can be more tricky too, more challenging. And it is like one of the most difficult cube to solve. But not the algorithms, but it's more tricky because it has different size and shapes. See? There's no same size, and there's no almost no same shape too. So that's why it is very, very challenging. And yeah, so I accidentally mixed this up, but I solved it because I looked at online, and I also looked at algorithms. And yeah, so just by looking at algorithms, will not help you to solve because there is this two. This two has different size, and this could be tricky. So yeah, so it's very, very not easy cube to solve. And yeah, so this is one of the most difficult Rubik's cube to solve. The next one I'm going to show you is the, in 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, Mega Minix. Mega Minix has 12 different sides and 12 different colors. This has carbon sticker on it. So that's why I got interested and I decided to get this. And you can move like this. And there it is. Let me see. If this was bottom, first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, and fifth layer. There is five layers. And yeah, so you solve first layer, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And solving the fifth layer is pretty tricky. And if you know how to solve 3 by 3, solving this is easier. Because up to fourth layer, it's similar to solving 3 by 3. It's just like intuitive and yeah. So that's why I enjoy solving this, but solving this takes a very long time. It's one of the longest time that you need to solve compared to 3 by 3 or 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So that's why this is called Mega Minix, because it has different sides. So that's why I enjoy solving this. And yeah, see, different colors. And yeah, so that's why I got this around the same time as Gen Cube. So I got this is it last summer or 2 summers ago? But now the newest edition of all Rubik's Cube is this. It's this. This one is Skib Cube, not Extreme Skib Cube. And if you want to, I'll show you. See, this is this Skib Cube. I got this on Christmas as a Christmas present. And yeah, so you can move and it has 6 sides, that's like regular Rubik's Cube. And it's easier to solve than 3 by 3 because you don't need to know a lot of algorithms. And yeah, so this is easier than 3 by 3. And it's very, very fun to solve. And it's very, very interesting to solve too. Because it's not like this, it's like that goes diagonally. So that's why it's very fun to solve and very, very interesting. And I might gonna make one more video about my Rubik's Cube, which is to review about I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this long. But then yeah, so yeah, this is my first video of making more than 5 minutes video. No, more than 10 minutes video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Comment down below and subscribe. Bye bye.